Kia ora and welcome. Today we will be making some fresh hemp milk. So first off, I'm just going to explain why we would consume hemp seeds and a few of the benefits that come with hemp seeds. So if you don't want to listen to that, please skip forward to this timeline. What is hemp milk? Well, hemp milk is a blend of water, fat and protein sourced from hemp seeds, which is what we have just here. Now hemp seeds are extremely healthy for the human body. It is probably the healthiest, most beneficial seed that you can acquire for food. Why is this? Well, hemp seeds are extremely high in iron, magnesium, phosphorus. It's also high in zinc, much higher than pumpkin seeds per serving. It's very high in vitamin B1 and vitamin B6. It also has very high amounts of omega-3s in the perfect ratio for humans of 3 to 1. Hemp seeds are also high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that will keep you looking youthful and healthy. And last but not least, hemp seeds are also very high in protein. It's very high in two of the most digestible proteins on the planet, edestin and globulin. Hemp seeds also contain all 9 essential amino acids. So if you're looking for something new to add to your diet, hemp seeds are a good choice. Anyways, let's get into it. So first off, let's take a look at the ingredients. So obviously we want some hemp seeds, organic if possible, preferred of course. We want 750 mils of spring water. In my case, that is 3 servings, and which is perfect because we don't want this to last more than 3 days. So that's, for me, that is 1 serving per day. You also, this is completely optional. If you want, you can add a little bit of salt and a little bit of sweetener. That will improve the flavor profile and it should help keep it fresh just a little bit longer. And the equipment that we need a decent blender. We've got the NutriBullet 900. Yes, the NutriBullet 900. And we have measuring cup and scales. First off, we're gonna measure out some hemp seeds. Now this really depends on your nutritional requirements. So for everyone it's going to be different. In my case, I'm going to be using 90 grams of hemp seeds, which is 30 grams per serving, which means per cup of hemp milk I will get about 10 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, and a few grams of carbs. And to me that's a very nice serving of hemp milk. If you don't work out, you're not an athlete, or you want to consume less calories, you can just go with 45 grams for this whole bottle, which is about half as much. So we're just going to weigh up our hemp seeds here. Right. So we have about 90 grams of organic hulled hemp seeds here, or hemp hearts if you will. And once you've weighed those out, we can take this beautiful water and pour it into our cup our smoothie mixer here. Oh, nice and full there. And then we shall add the Hemp Hearts to the water. Oh. Look at that. The hell's that for a show? Right. So, as is, if you don't want to sweeten it in any way, you can blend these right now and you will have a very nice, smooth, creamy hemp milk. But if you're like me and you want to get fancy, we will add 1, 2, 3 light pinches of salt, Pink Himalayan always, and we will add, using our scales, we will add 3 grams of maple syrup per serving, so we're going to add a total of 9 grams because the universe. Yeah, sweet. 9 grams of maple syrup added. Salt is in. We are ready to go. We have the elixir of life ready to blend. So we're probably going to blend this for about 60 seconds. That didn't work. It's too much. It's too much. Okay, that was a legitimate fail. Do not overfill your blender because it will shit itself. So anyways, I had to remove some of the liquid, but let's go, let's blend this up. Alrighty. We have created the elixir of life. It's a beautiful, creamy, smooth, very nutty hemp milk. Now, if you prefer very, very smooth and light milk, then I would highly suggest straining this before putting it back into your storage container. But if you're like me and you want all the nutrition from a whole food, then just go ahead and chuck it in your bottle, like so. There we go. This should last me 3 days, 1 serving per day. So now, we're just going to test this out and see what it tastes like. Not bad at all, mate. It'd probably be nicer if it was cold, but it's still pretty good. It's actually way smoother than I thought. And yeah, so that's gonna be delicious. So, if you are looking to make some hemp milk, I hope that this helps, and I hope you enjoy consuming some delicious, nourishing beverages. You can use this for all kinds of things. You can use this as a smoothie base, you can use it for porridge, oatmeal, you can use it in baking, coffees, tea, whatever you like. And it is delicious and nutritious. So, hope you enjoy. If you enjoy the video, please like this video, leave a comment if you have any opinions or thoughts, and please subscribe if you wish to see more.